In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add languages to your WordPress website and make it multilingual. If you want to reach a wider audience, improve user experience, and boost international SEO, making your site multilingual is one of the most effective upgrades you can make. We'll walk through the process from picking the right tool to testing everything so you can confidently launch a localized version of your site. First, choose a multilingual plugin. Popular options include TranslatePress, WPML, Polylang, and Weglot. They all let you add multiple languages and translate your content efficiently. When deciding, consider how the plugin handles visual editing, whether it supports automatic translation you can refine, and compatibility with your theme, page builder, and any e-commerce or SEO plugins. Also think about pricing and the number of languages you plan to support. Next, install and activate your chosen plugin. In your WordPress dashboard, head to Plugins, then Add New. Search for the plugin by name, click Install, and then Activate. If you're working on a live site, it's a good idea to back up first or test on a staging copy. Once activated, configure your language settings. Open the plugin settings page, set your default site language, and add the additional languages you want to support by selecting them from the list. Pay attention to locale variants if you need region-specific options, and review any URL format choices the plugin offers, like subdirectories or subdomains. Now translate your website content. Use the plugin's interface to translate pages, posts, menus, widgets, and strings from your theme and other plugins. Many tools include a visual editor that lets you translate directly on the front end so you can see changes in context. Don't forget SEO elements like page titles, meta descriptions, and slugs for each language. Automatic translation can save time, but always review for accuracy and tone. Add a language switcher so visitors can easily toggle languages. You can place it in your main navigation via appearance and menus, or add it as a widget in your sidebar or footer. Customize how it displays language names, flags, or a dropdown, and position it where it's easy to find, typically in the header. Finally, test your multilingual site. Browse your pages in each language, switch back and forth, and confirm that URLs, menus, and SEO settings behave as expected. Check on mobile and in private browsing to catch caching issues. Using a multilingual plugin streamlines the work and delivers a localized experience that can dramatically expand your reach. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more WordPress tips and tutorials.